Good afternoon, everybody. This is Steve Levay with the T3 Live Halftime Report. First off, I want to wish everybody a happy new year. It's 2013. Let's start the year off right. Hopefully you had a great morning. I had a pretty decent morning. A couple of stocks that I'm looking at are ones that I held over from 2012. Let's talk about them. First one, SSYS. Stratasys, one that I've been in options for the better part of 2 weeks now. Here's the daily on SSYS, and the reason I've been watching it is this W pattern right here that I'm drawing in as we speak. Very bullish pattern. We're still kind of hanging out above the top of it, which is good. I don't like these red bars, and I don't like the red bar today on the stock. However, it is holding up. We're up $2.50 in the stock right now. And if you look at a 5-minute, it doesn't look as pretty as it once did. But again, as long as it stays above 82, I think we still have a decent move on our hands. I think 90 is a very realistic target for us to target it, over the next couple of days. But, we'll have to see if the market starts selling off after the fiscal cliff issues are now resolved. Then maybe, people start taking profits. But for now, I'm still holding some calls. I think the stock still has a chance to get going. We'll have to see what happens. Also made some money in DDD. This one looks a little bit better to me on the 5-minute than SSYS. As you can see, it fell hard off the bell, rounded off at the bottom there, went back right to the top of here and failed again. And now it's rounding pretty much the same spot it rounded before. Could we see this thing back at 57? Possibly. It's a very good back and forth trading vehicle today. You can make money both long and short it. So it's one to keep an eye on. If we get above this 57.60 range, I do think that you're probably going to see 58 to 59 sooner than later, and hopefully that'll push up SSYS as well. SSYS might just be, like I said, consolidating a pretty nice size move off of the 21-day moving average at 74.25 that it hit 3 days ago. So we'll have to see what happens. These two have been on my radar and will remain on my radar until I can't make money in them anymore. They are trading vehicles both ways, which I love. And, I'm just waiting for a good setup right now. You come in with a big gap up. It's hard to find the great setups unless you're thinking possible pullback, which Priceline and Apple did. But, again, I was focused more on DDD and SSYS. Made some money. Now I'm sitting on the sidelines and waiting to find another setup. So with that, gang, hopefully you all had a great start to 2013. I'm looking forward to a really good year. I'll talk to you all in the VTF.